Hey guys, welcome to Nature Love. I hope you will be fine. Today I will share some great information about importance of gardening. Gardening is important for several reasons. Gardening allows us to grow our own fruits, vegetables, and herbs. This helps us have access to fresh and healthy food while reducing our dependence on store-bought produce. Gardening gives us an opportunity to spend time outdoors, connect with nature, and enjoy its beauty. It allows us to appreciate the environment and the plant around us. Engaging in gardening activities is good for our health. It provides exercise, improve our physical fitness, and helps us stay active. Gardening also has a positive impact on our mental well-being, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Gardening teaches us about plant ecosystems and the environment. It is a hands-on way to learn and understand how things grow. Gardening can be a fun and educational activity for children and adults alike. Gardening can bring people together. Community gardens and shared green spaces create opportunities for neighbors to meet, work together, and build strong communities. It fosters a sense of belonging and cooperation. Gardens contribute to a healthier environment. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which helps reduce air pollution. Gardens also support biodiversity by providing habitats for insects, birds, and other wildlife. Gardens make our surrounding more beautiful. They add color, fragrance, and visual appeal to our homes. Neighborhoods and public spaces, well maintained gardens create a pleasant environment for everyone to enjoy. Gardening encourages sustainable practices such as composting, water conservation, and using organic methods. It promotes a more environmentally friendly way of living. Gardening is an enjoyable and rewarding activity that offers numerous benefits. It allows us to grow our own food, connect with nature, improve our well being, learn about the environment, build communities, and contribute to a healthier planet. Gardening is a journey of discovery and enjoyment. Thanks for watching.